The herons are long-legged freshwater and coastal birds in the family Ardeidae, with 64 recognized species, some of which are referred to as egrets or bitterns rather than herons. Members of the genera Botaurus and Ixobrychus are referred to as bitterns and, together with the zigzag heron, or zigzag bittern, in the monotypic genus Zebrilus. Form a monophyletic group with the Ardeidae. Egrets are not a biologically distinct group from the herons, and tend to be named differently because they are mainly white or have decorative plumes in breeding plumage. Ardea and Egretta. Similarly, the relationships of the genera in the family are not completely resolved. However, one species formerly considered to constitute a separate monotypic family, the Cochlearidae or the boat-billed heron, is now regarded as a member of the Ardeidae. Although herons resemble birds in some other families, such as the storks, ibises, spoonbills, and cranes, they differ from these in flying with their necks retracted, not outstretched. They are also one of the bird groups that have powder down. Some members of this group nest colonially in trees, while others, notably the bitterns, use reed beds. A group of them is called a siege. The herons and bitterns are carnivorous. The members of this family are mostly associated with wetlands and water, and feed on a variety of live aquatic prey. Their diet includes a wide variety of aquatic animals, including fish, reptiles, amphibians, crustaceans, mollusks, and aquatic insects. Individual species may be generalists or specialize in certain prey types, such as the yellow-crowned night heron, which specializes in crustaceans, particularly crabs. Many species also opportunistically take larger prey, including birds and bird eggs, rodents, and more rarely carrion. Even more rarely, herons eating acorns, peas, and grains have been reported. But most vegetable matter consumed is accidental. In addition to sitting and waiting, herons may feed more actively. They may walk slowly, around or less than 60 paces a minute, snatching prey when it is observed. Other active feeding behaviors include foot stirring and probing, where the feet are used to flush out hidden prey. The wings may be used to brighten prey, or possibly attract it to shade, or to reduce glare. The most extreme example of this is exhibited by the black heron. which forms a full canopy with its wings over its body. 7. Some species of heron, such as the little egret and gray heron, have been documented using bait to lure prey to within striking distance. Herons may use items already in place or actively add items to the water to attract fish, such as the banded killifish. Items used may be man-made, such as bread. 8. Alternatively, striated herons in the Amazon have been watched repeatedly dropping seeds, insects, flowers, and leaves into the water to catch fish. 9. 3 species, the black-headed heron, whistling heron, and especially the cattle egret, are less tied to watery environments and may feed far away from water. Cattle egrets improve their foraging success by following large grazing animals. Catching insects flushed by their movement. One study found that the success rate of prey capture increased 3.6 times over solitary foraging.